The low-carb diet, a delicious journey to weight loss. Low-carb diets, the secret to effective weight loss and improved health, have become a popular choice for many. Offering a delicious way to shed pounds while enjoying each meal, these diets are a unique approach to eating that is gaining more and more followers. This detailed resource will delve into the essentials of low-carb diets, highlighting their benefits, mouth-watering recipes, and empowering tips for success. Let's embark on this culinary adventure together, understanding low-carb diets. What is a low-carb diet? A low-carb diet limits carbohydrates, primarily sugary foods, pasta, and bread. Instead, it emphasizes protein-rich foods and healthy fats. Imagine changing your body into a fat-burning machine by switching your fuel source from carbohydrates to fat. The concept is simple yet powerful. By entering a state known as ketosis, your body starts to tap into its fat reserves for energy, leading to actual weight loss and enhanced energy. Embrace the journey to a leaner, more energized you. Types of low-carb diets. 1. Ketogenic diet. Deficient in carbs, typically under 50 grams per day, high in fats, and moderate in protein. 2. Atkins diet. A phased approach that starts with very low carbs and gradually increases them. 3. Paleo diet. Embrace a lifestyle centered on whole foods, leaving behind processed foods, grains, and legumes for a nourishing and revitalizing journey. 4. Mediterranean diet. Although it's not strictly low carb, it focuses on lean proteins, healthy fats, and various vegetables, while limiting refined carbohydrates. Low-carb diets, while effective for weight loss and health improvement, may not be suitable for everyone. Awareness of a low-carb diet's possible risks and side effects is crucial, including nutrient deficiencies, constipation, and bad breath. As you begin your low-carb journey, seeking advice from a healthcare expert can help you make the best choices for your health and well-being. The science behind low-carb diets. When you reduce carb intake, your body undergoes several metabolic changes. Insulin levels drop, which helps your body access stored fat for energy. This process can lead to fast weight loss in the initial stages. Also, low-carb diets can help regulate blood sugar levels, which favors those with diabetes or insulin resistance. Benefits of low-carb diets. 1. Weight loss. Many people find that low-carb diets are effective for quick weight loss, especially in the first few weeks. 2. Experience satisfying appetite control. High protein and high fat foods tend to be more satiating, helping to reduce hunger and cravings. This control over your appetite can bring a sense of contentment and fulfillment. Lower carb intake can improve blood sugar levels. Heart health. Some studies suggest low-carb diets, such as triglycerides and HDL cholesterol, can improve heart health markers. 3. Enhanced mental clarity. Some people report sharpened awareness and mental clarity when following a low-carb diet. Getting started on a low-carb diet. The first steps. 1. Educate yourself. Learn about carbs and their sources. Familiarize yourself with foods that are low in carbs. 2. Plan your meals. Please create a weekly meal plan emphasizing low-carb ingredients. 3. Stock your kitchen. Clear your pantry of high-carb foods and stock up on low-carb staples. Low-carb foods to embrace. 1. Proteins, meat, fish, eggs, and dairy. 2. Healthy fats. Avocados, olive oil, nuts, and seeds. Vegetables, leafy greens, broccoli, cauliflower, and zucchini. 3. Berries, in moderation. Fruits like strawberries and raspberries can fit into your diet. Foods to avoid. 1. Sugary foods and drinks. 2. Bread and pasta. 3. Starchy vegetables like potatoes and corn. 4. Most grains, including rice and oats. Delicious low-carb recipes. Breakfast ideas. 1. Egg muffins. Whisk eggs with spinach, cheese, and diced vegetables. pour into muffin tins and bake for a quick, on-the-go breakfast. 2. Coconut chia pudding. Mix coconut milk with chia seeds and vanilla. Let it sit overnight for a delicious and filling breakfast. Lunch options. 1. Zucchini noodles with pesto. Swap pasta for spiralized zucchini and toss with homemade pesto and grilled chicken. 2. Cauliflower fried rice. Blend cauliflower in a food chopper and salt with vegetables, eggs, and soy sauce for a tasty twist on fried rice. Dinner recipes. 1. Stuffed bell peppers. Fill bell peppers with ground meat, spices, and cheese. Bake until the peppers are tender. 2. Grilled salmon with asparagus. Season salmon fillets and grill them alongside asparagus for a healthy, flavorful dinner. Snack ideas. Guacamole with veggies. Dip cucumber and bell pepper slices into creamy guacamole. Cheese crisps. Bake shredded cheese until crispy for a crunchy, satisfying snack. Mastering a low-carb diet. Tips for success: stay hydrated. Drink plenty of water. Mastering a low-carb diet. Tips for success: embarking on a low-carbohydrate diet can be rewarding, but like any lifestyle change, it comes with challenges. Here are some practical tips to help you stay on track and make the most of your low-carb experience. 1. Plan your meals and snacks. Meal planning is vital for success on a low-carb diet. By planning meals beforehand, you can avoid last-minute decisions that might lead to high-carb choices. Make a weekly menu that comprises breakfast, lunch, dinner, and snacks. This will help you stay organized and make grocery shopping easier. 2. Keep low-carb snacks handy. Having low-carb snacks readily available can prevent you from reaching for high-carb options when hunger strikes. Stock your pantry and fridge with nuts, cheese, yogurt, and cut-up veggies. These snacks can be both satisfying and convenient. 3. Listen to your body. Pay attention to how your body reacts as you reduce carbs. Some people experience fatigue or cravings initially, but these symptoms often subside as your body adjusts. Allow yourself time to adapt, and don't hesitate to indulge in low-carb treats when cravings hit. 4. Stay hydrated. Stay hydrated, your essential companion on a low-carb diet. 5. Experiment with recipes. Don't be afraid to experiment in the kitchen. There are countless low-carb recipes available that can help keep your meals exciting. Try new ingredients, cooking methods, and flavors to discover what you enjoy most. 6. Track your progress. Feel accomplished. Keep a journal or use a tracking app to log your meals, snacks, and any changes in weight or measurements. This technique will help you remain answerable and motivated. Celebrate your successes, no matter how small. 7. Stay educated. Knowledge is the fundamental source of strength. Read books, follow reputable blogs, and watch videos about low-carb diets to stay informed. This will help you understand the science behind your choices and empower you to make better decisions. 8. Find a support system. Associating with others who follow low-carb diets can support them. Encouragement and join online forums, local meetups, or online platforms to exchange experiences and tips and make your journey more enjoyable and successful. 9. Be flexible. While adhering to your low-carb goals is vital, being adaptable is also crucial. Life happens, and sometimes you may find yourself in situations where high-carb options are unavoidable. Don't stress, just make the best choice you can at that moment and get back on track with your next meal. 10. Consider supplements. If you find it challenging to meet your nutritional needs solely through food, consider incorporating supplements like magnesium, potassium, or omega-3 fatty acids into your routine. Get guidance from a health professional before starting any new supplement. 11. Celebrate non-scale victories. Weight loss is only the beginning of the benefits of low-carb diets. There's much more to explore and discover on this journey to better health. Pay attention to non-scale victories, like improved mood, better sleep, increased energy levels, or fitting into clothes more comfortably. Recognizing these milestones can keep you motivated. 12. Stay patient. Note that weight loss is an expedition, and results may take longer than you'd like. Be patient with yourself and trust the process. Focus on creating sustainable habits that will benefit your health in the long term. 13. Consult a professional. Consider consulting a nutritionist or dietitian if you need help beginning or maintaining a low-carb diet. They can provide customized support based on your health needs and goals. Conclusion: following a low-carb diet can lead to essential health benefits and weight loss, but it requires dedication and strategy. By planning ahead, staying informed, and surrounding yourself with support, you can navigate the challenges and enjoy the delicious journey of a low-carb lifestyle. If you found this video helpful, please like, share, and subscribe to our channel for more health tips. Your warmth concept expresses our deepest gratitude for your incredible support as we conclude today's health and fitness tips. Remember, it's not just about the numbers on the scale, it's about feeling great and embracing a healthier, more vibrant you. Thank you for watching.